welcome back to the channel. It's me, searbear, and if you're new here, hello, it's me, searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? We're doing a random recipe. We're not going to be doing any cookbook today. We're just going to be doing this thing that I saw online. I'm not sure if you guys end up doing the same thing as I do, but sometimes I get like shown like cooking videos, and then sometimes it's like ASMR, and then I end up like going into like a rabbit hole of specifically looking at those, or like not really cooking recipes. I like watching those slime videos too. And so one of the cooking ones that I saw were these things called Snowflake Crisps. And I originally saw it from like this TikTok channel because they had like so many videos. And so I would just go to their hashtags, or like I would go to their channel and I would just watch them because it looked really good and I wanted to try it. And it had been like a while since I hadn't been like seeing those videos, right? And then the other day I saw them on YouTube and I was like, oh my God. And I went back to watching those videos again. I like got out of watching all of those and then I went right back into watching them again. And so it got me curious a few times on what these snowflake crisps are. It looked super easy to make, like super doable. So I wanted to see if I could try making it myself. And so well, here we are doing that. I originally saw from that person's channel, and then I like looked into like the hashtag and I saw that it was like some treat or whatever, right? So it led me to looking up a recipe for these snowflake crisps, and I ended up finding this recipe right here. The recipe that I got it from is from Auntie Emily, and this snack was first created in Taiwan about 2015. And I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I tried to look up the way to pronounce it because like it was like popular in Taiwan and then it made its way to mainland China. And so I'm so sorry. I think it's called like Snowflake Crisps Milk Nougat, or it's also called, I am so sorry, Shui Hua Shu. I'm so sorry. Or Shui Qiu Bing is what I saw. I'm sorry. I tried to look up the pronunciation and I was practicing it. I don't think I did well, but those are what they're called, and it's cool, and languages are awesome. I wanted to try making it today. This recipe seemed pretty simple. It also shows other recipes. It showed like the recipe that I'll be following is like the main one, but they also offer like a mocha and chocolate, and then a matcha flavor. Oh my God. So if you guys want to try making this at home, the recipe is linked down below. It looks super easy. I am going to try when I'm making it to try and make it like kind of ASMR if I can, but I just really, really like to yap. Yeah, I just really like to yap, but I'll try. If I successfully do it, I'm just gonna like have it be like its own thing, because like, I don't know, but I want to try it at least the one time. But it looks so easy. It looks so easy. So let's see if I can not yap. And let's see if I can. I just want to try doing the little ASMR thing like once, just once. But I did actually. You know what's really funny? Whenever we went to TJ Maxx yesterday, and whenever we were at the checkout line, like literally checking out, I also saw the snowflake nougat or whatever at the checkout line. Isn't that kind of crazy? I was like, wow, I didn't get it because it was like, whenever we were like, they told us the total and everything and I didn't notice it until then, but like, wow, I should have gotten it to compare. But it's okay because maybe I'll get it or something, I don't know, but isn't that crazy? But anyway, it's supposed to take like an hour and a half, and it is currently about 10:10. So hopefully, I don't think it'll take too long. I think the longest part is going to be, I'm going to have to refrigerate it, that's fine. I'm okay with that. It does have 10 steps that we need to follow because I wrote it down, of course, as I do. And I'm really excited to see how this turns out. Like, I don't know. It looked so good. I really want to try it. And here we are. Now we're finally trying it. I did actually go ahead and get everything all gathered. So let me go ahead and show you everything that we need to grab for this recipe, which it really isn't too much. All right. And here are all of the ingredients. Yeah, it's not really a lot. Wow. Look at those biscuits. They smell good. Wow. I don't know. I mean, it seems straightforward. Let's get started. Let's get this done. I don't know. I'm sure it's gonna go well. I'm hoping like all the flavors complement each other well, which I'm sure it will. Like that's why it was like a popular snack. I don't know, I'm just excited to try this snack, and if like, I don't know, snack, sweet, marshmallows or something. Oh, I don't know, let's get started. Break each arrowroot biscuit into 3 parts and set aside. Melt the butter in a nonstick pan at a medium heat. Add marshmallows to the butter, stirring and pressing down on the marshmallows until they are completely melted and have combined with the butter. Did I use enough marshmallows? What if I need to add more? Would it be the worst thing in the world if I added more marshmallows? Look at that butter though. That's so much. I mean, I guess that's fully combined, but that's just so much butter. Like, I feel like I shouldn't be seeing that much butter. No, sir, I'm just gonna follow the instructions. I'm not gonna add more. We'll see. We'll just see. Turn heat to low. Add the milk powder and mix well. Try to press down on the clumps of milk to smooth it out. I just look at all that butter, dude. Mix the nuts and cranberries in a container. Add them to the marshmallow mixture and mix well with a spatula. Turn off the heat. Add biscuits and fold into the mixture until fairly mixed, and then place mixture into a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet. Take another piece of parchment paper and put it on top of the mixture and start pressing the mixture into the pan, forming the straight edges of the mixture. You may need to use a rolling pin and a dough scraper to help flatten, tighten, and form straight edges. You want to eliminate all the spaces in the mixture so that when you cut it, it doesn't break apart and you will get a nice, clean, finished edge. Sprinkle the top and bottom with 10 grams of milk powder. Once you've sprinkled the top and bottom with milk powder, it will be less sticky and you can pick up the mixture with both hands while it's covered with parchment paper and to apply pressure on all sides. Cover with the parchment paper and wait 1 hour before cutting it to your desired shape. Alright, it's been about an hour. Let's go ahead. I didn't do anything to push it together and any of that, so there it is. Now it's time to cut. It goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's crunchy. Oh my god, it's crunchy. They're not going to be even, okay? Oh my god. It's falling apart a little bit. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, okay, okay. And here's the reveal. Okay. This is the one that I like folded together, and that's the one I just left as is. There it is. It looks good. It smells good too. It looks pretty good. Okay, let's try it. It's falling apart. Alright, let's try it. They're pretty good. I'll be honest, I didn't expect to like it. This is really good. The saltiness of the nuts with the cranberries is making it sweeter, and with the marshmallow, dude, it's like so good. The biscuits, really, oh my god. This is awesome. Oh my god, this is good. This is so good. This is just the normal one. I want to try making the matcha. I want to try making the mocha one too. I literally didn't think I was gonna like that. I don't really like marshmallows that much. But all the other flavors I really wanted to try too. But like, oh my god, this is good. Would I make this again? Low key, maybe. I still have some stuff left. I would just need to buy some biscuits. And the biscuits were perfect. The biscuits were perfect. The biscuits I used, they were like the Gerber brand because those were the only arrowroot biscuits that I could find at the store. And yeah, they're delicious. Baby's first biscuits are good. Highly recommend. I just really like it. I should have made it a little thicker, but thicker than a Snicker, thicker than a bowl of oatmeal, but I didn't, so it's okay. It still tasted pretty good. I think this is a pretty good snack. I was a little worried for the sweetness to be like too sweet, but it's not. All of the flavors really complement each other well. I would probably make this for like a quick party or something, or like, I think this is like super easy to make. It took me like 35 minutes, 35 to 39 minutes altogether to like do everything, even with taking my time. So yeah, it was easy. It was straight to the point. I like watching I'm still going to continue watching these videos, but now I know what it tastes like. I might try even making those matcha and mocha ones. Like I still have a lot of marshmallows left, so. And I do like the ones where they make it with like Oreos or what looks like Oreos, because those are low-key my favorite, so, you know, but that's good. I don't know if I've really had nougat before. I know nougat's been a thing forever, but this is really what I've been getting a lot on my algorithm, so now I've tried it. I'm honestly I'm super satisfied with the outcome, so yay! Would make again. Honestly, would make again. So yeah, would you guys try making this? Have you guys had this before? Do you guys like nougats? I don't know what other ones there are, but I guess I like them. I kind of want to try that one at TJ Maxx to see if I like it or if I don't. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you guys for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! You can see like the red right here. Oh well. Let's get started. Let's get this done. I don't know. I'm sure it's gonna go well. I'm sure it's gonna go well, but if it doesn't, hey, okay, fine. Let the doors down, get the pins in bed. I'm forward, I'm looking bogan. Did erase with pen. Misbehaviors pushed by pen. I can't take my passion friend. Can't keep up what happened to my ladies wrong is laughing. Alright, it's been about an hour.